Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss how to prevent everyone from tagging you on X, previously known as Twitter. If you want to take control of your tagging settings and limit who can tag you in photos, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps to secure your account. First, launch the X app on your Android device. This is where all your social interactions begin. Next, tap your profile icon. You can either tap your profile picture or the navigation menu icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This action will open your account settings. Once you're in, look for the option that says Settings and Support. After tapping on it, proceed to select Settings and Privacy. This is the section that allows you to manage various settings related to your account. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety. This area contains all the privacy features that help you control who sees your content and interacts with you. Next, navigate to Audience and Tagging. Here you'll find the options related to who can tag you in photos. Now, make sure to enable photo tagging. This setting needs to be on for you to adjust who can tag you. Finally, select Off. By choosing this option, you prevent anyone from tagging you in photos. This way, you maintain complete control over your online presence and what gets shared. And that's it. Following these steps will help you manage your tagging preferences on X. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media presence.